Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Utah in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, you're in exactly the right place. Because Utah is one of the fastest growing business states in the country, but that speed can work against you if you rush through the setup without understanding the rules. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to form a Utah LLC correctly, without delays, without rejected filings, and without paying someone later to fix mistakes that were completely avoidable. Let's break this down properly. The two options most people face when it comes to forming an LLC in Utah, you really only have two choices. Option 1, you try to do everything yourself. You navigate Utah's Division of Corporations website, search for name availability, file your certificate of organization, research registered agent requirements, apply for your EIN, figure out state and local licenses, and hope you didn't miss something that slows approval or causes compliance issues later. Option 2, you let professionals handle the setup correctly from the beginning while you focus on building your business instead of decoding state paperwork. Utah is fast, but it's not forgiving if you submit things incorrectly. Why DIY in Utah often goes wrong. I tried the DIY route once in Utah. Big mistake. Between Utah's specific filing requirements, the $54 filing fee, registered agent rules, ongoing renewal obligations, and bouncing between state and city websites to understand licensing, I lost weeks that I should have spent actually working on the business. The frustrating part wasn't that Utah was complicated. It was that missing one small detail didn't cause an immediate rejection. It caused delayed problems that showed up later and had to be fixed. And yes, I still ended up paying someone to clean it up. What you actually need to start a Utah LLC. Here's what you actually need to form a Utah LLC the right way. First, choose your business name. You'll want a primary name and a backup. Utah has naming rules, and availability changes quickly in high-growth industries. Second, appoint a registered agent with a physical street address in Utah. This is legally required. Your registered agent receives legal notices and official state correspondence. Third, file your certificate of organization with the Utah Division of Corporations. This is the document that officially creates your LLC. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this to open a business bank account, hire employees, and handle taxes. Fifth, check for Utah state and local business licenses. Utah doesn't issue one universal business license. Many businesses must register at the city or county level. And sixth, open a business bank account to separate your personal and business finances and protect your liability shield. Utah is efficient, but only when every step is done correctly. Utah's specific quirks. People miss 2026. Here's what trips people up in Utah. Utah requires annual renewals to keep your LLC active. Missing a renewal can lead to administrative dissolution. Local licensing varies widely. By city, processing is fast, only when filings are accurate. Many people assume fast state equals easy state, and that's where mistakes happen. Why professional help makes sense in Utah. That's exactly why I recommend tailored brands for Utah. They handle everything. Utah Registered Agent Certificate of Organization filing, EIN operating agreement compliance guidance, help opening your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand Utah's filing order and renewal rules, so nothing gets missed or delayed. Cost. This is important. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Utah's required state filing fees. That's the same cost as doing it yourself, but without the confusion, wasted time, or compliance stress. Final step. Stop guessing your way through Utah's process. Use the link in the description. Get your Utah LLC formed properly and focus on growing your business, not fixing paperwork. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real, no-fluff business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.